All right, Boss Joe here. I'm going to do a quick review on Friday setup and my outlook for next week. That's just what I'm going to do. For this week, I took 6 trades. Yeah, my trading plans allows me to take two trade per day. Last week I took 5 trades, so that means it's only Thursday that I took two setup, and this is what helps me in my discipline. I don't take more than 2 trades. I really focus on 2 trades per day, and it has helped me a whole lot. So I don't know what resonates with you, but that's exactly what resonates with me. I prefer 2 trade per session on per day. Cut out this banana is like, what are you thinking about this? Anyway, sorry for that. Let's jump right in. If you look at the screen record, I'll just post it right somewhere. The screen record, I was anticipating these highs to be swept, then look for setup to target this low. That was what I was looking for in the marketplace as of Friday. Friday was what, 12, right? Yeah, Friday was 12, today's 13. I'm doing this video on 13. So I was looking for these highs to be swept, seeing it as manipulation, then significant drop to the downside, which in fact that played out because I know what I'm doing. I've seen this market for over 5 years now. I know exactly what will happen. So by the way, that did play out, but guess what? Price keeps dropping. See now, keeps dropping. It is what it is. Most times this happens, so but you have to stay disciplined to focus on only what works for you. So my 1:1 was 1:2, I think, was what I took, something like this. Let's check something in the 1 minute time frame. I'll also drop a screen so that it will not be high insight. I will also drop a screenshot of where I took I think it was something close to somewhere right around here. Should be, yeah, should be somewhere around here. Yeah, it was there. Yeah, exactly, something like that. I took 1:2. I could remember that. It's here like this. That was my trade. That was my trade. So, but had it been I let price run, look, obviously that's 1:2. Nasdaq move almost 1:1 what? 1:20, 30, right? Should be 1:30 right there. Let's see that. Yeah. So 1:29. Well, it is what it is, and there's nothing you can do about it. So I took something off, and I was satisfied with that. That's the most important thing. So let's go back to the business of today. So this was Friday trade, and it was so nice. But moving forward, what is my plan for gold next week? As you can see from the high time frame, this 4 hours time frame. I might. So gold is really dropping at this point. So moving forward, what I'm anticipating for next week, price just swept this low. There is two sides. If you look closely, this low is being swept with previous 4 hour candlestick. So I'm anticipating either price react to this and continue showing breaking market structure to the upside, then continue to the upside, because obviously if you look closely, this is relative equal highs right here. As you can see, those highs are so clean. So I'm still bullish on Nasdaq moving forward. So that's just my anticipation for Nasdaq. But for gold, let's go to that. For gold, I'm still bullish as well. Gold, because of what is going on in the world generally, is a safe haven currency now. People are buying more of gold. So I'm looking at price reacting here and push to the upside. I'm still bullish on gold as well. At least to this relatively equalized. That's the next target on gold. I want to see price next week moving forward. I want to see these highs cleared. So moving forward, I've been calling out gold buys from, if you are following me from my Telegram channel, I've been calling out gold buys ever since, and I'm still looking at gold reaching for 4,382 even at least. So for me, gold is still bullish. So I need to see price comes back here, reacts in this 4 hours favor gap and targets these highs. That in fact is my bias on gold. So moving forward, Euro USD. I've also been dropping signals on this in my Telegram channel. So I'm still bullish on this. And this is for those of you that are in my Telegram channel that trade all this other pay. I only focus on gold and Nasdaq, predominantly gold. I don't trade, sorry, predominantly Nasdaq. I don't trade any other pairs or instruments. So for me, this is still bullish. I'm looking for a more reaction on this for our favor gap to support price to the upside as well. More reaction on this. So more reaction on this. Price should react more on this and push price to the upside. That's for Euro USD. And you know Euro fiber and cable, they are correlated pay. GBP USD should be bullish as well. Okay, so the same thing. You see these relatively equal highs. That's the next draw on liquidity. I'm really bullish on this. Also a fair value gap right here. So I'm looking at price bullishness in Gable as well. So hopefully we see another reaction inside this fair value gap right here. Forward. Um, so I'm still bullish on this pair as well. So reactions here, first target this buy side, then a tap into that fair value gap. So I think if this was insightful, drop a comment, drop a like, and if you're looking for mentorship program, DM me one-on-one mentorship. Let's discuss. Last week we took 5 trades. This week we took 6 trades. It was only on Thursday I took 2 trades because I was still anticipating something. Most of you in my in our mentorship group, you know what we are looking for, but it didn't work out. But it's okay. We ended up the week with profit. That's the most important thing. So if this was insightful, thumbs up and share this video. Peace out, Boss Joe.